tight community. Time to unite. Oh yeah, if you believe in us, we can get there, get anywhere. As a community, yeah. We get anywhere. You plus me equals we. As a community, we get anywhere. You plus me equals we. As a community, we got our ideas, everyone gotta go. We put our dreams together, that's how we unite and roll. We like a tree with roots coming from different directions. And the fruit that we produce tastes of perfection. We keep each other safe, we keep each other fed. Keep our kids educated to keep us from seeing them dead. We know that we are sisters, we know that we are brothers. It doesn't matter where we from, it don't matter our colors. You plus me, that equals me, that equals we. Bring unity to the plus me, that equals we. Bring unity to the community. Yeah, we build a tight community. Time to unite.